Welcome everyone. Thanks so much for taking time out of your business and investing in it for this 2 days. This 2 days is all about you understanding what the role of a professional service advisor can look like in your auto repair shop.
I haven't come across anything like this that's been motor industry specific.
I'm going home with a complete job description on exactly who we're looking for, what we're looking for, and how we're going to implement that in our team.
So how are you currently selling now? Are you thinking about these opportunities when you either have the customer on the phone in the first instance or when they come into the workshop?
Look, I've been around 20 years. I've been working pretty heavily with Rachel, probably 12 months now. My life's changed around a fair bit in a pretty short amount of time, really.
Hit the nail on the head as far as what I wanted to get out of it, particularly around numbers and KPIs.
And I'm humbled that you would take the time to come and spend the 2 days with us so that we can share this with you.